Welcome to the Pilates Show, where we explore Pilates tips and techniques to help deepen the skill level of the movement educator while having fun.
Hi, Jen and Amy here, and we're looking at how to create more space in the knee joint. So this is a great one to do with your clients before they go off to knee surgery and definitely after. You just want to make sure that as they're going into this, that they're not feeling pain while they're doing the exercise. So they're probably going to definitely have more restriction when they're bending the knee. So you want them to go very, very slow and carefully in that portion of this exercise. So I'm pulling up on the TheraBand to give them more activation through their hamstring and through their quadricep in the different actions, the different phases of this exercise. So I have it behind her calf, and I'm doing a lot of work here pulling up on it. So on her exhale, I want the pelvis and shoulders to remain the same. She's gonna dig her heel into the towel, and she's gonna slowly start to press out. So she's lifting through the femur head, pelvis stays the same. She's pushing out through her heel and down into her heel, and then down into this TheraBand. Beautiful. And now, super slow, she's gonna drag the heel back into her, and I'm still pulling on the TheraBand, right, to give her some resistance. She's letting the pelvis just drop into gravity, softening around the pubic bone and the tail. Good, let's look at that again. So pelvis stays in place, try to find a little bit more heaviness and drop in that right side of your sacrum, and then slowly coming out, thinking about vacuuming or injecting the femur head deeper and deeper into that still hip socket, finding the contrast. And then on the exhale, really important that the instructor is still pulling up on that TheraBand as she bends in, creating as much space in that knee as possible. So as she bends, she's thinking about the knee trying to kiss the toenails.
That's it for today. If you have a different take on today's subject, or if there's anything you'd like to see covered in an upcoming episode, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below on Facebook, Twitter, or in the forum at fusionpilatesedu.com. See you next time, and never stop learning.